Oh my lord. Galaxy Unpacked 2020, rest in peace, because everything has leaked out, including the unboxing videos, Note 20 Ultra hands-on, Note 20 unboxing, absolutely everything. Even the Galaxy Z Fold 2, which looks unbelievable. It is all here. We've had an absolute flood of leaks from Evan Blass on Twitter. We'll get all into that, and a ton of other leaks as well. And this is probably going to be the first and last time you see my face, because there is just so much to get through. Absolutely everything. So first we have the Note 20 Ultra unboxing and hands-on video. So we can see the entire phone, and it is glorious. I absolutely love this design. This is the pinnacle, the peak of class and beauty in a phone, to be honest. Absolutely amazing flat edges on the top and bottom. Really amazing finish to the metal there. Also, the screen just looks fantastic. The bezels look almost entirely symmetrical across the whole thing. It looks absolutely beautiful. We can also see the official Samsung video of the Note 20 Ultra. They're using the Notes application, which has been improved. As I said yesterday, some more features there. You can import PDFs. You can also draw on here, add audio, and you can see how the S Pen is working. As we said, the new latency is 9 milliseconds, so a big upgrade. It just looks absolutely amazing, this device. We can also see the difference between the Note 20 Ultra and the Note 20. The Note 20 doesn't have as many official videos showing it off, and that is because, well, it is not one of those real high-end ultra premium phones from Samsung. This launch is undoubtedly all about the Note 20 Ultra and the Galaxy Z Fold 2. And let's get on to the Z Fold 2. Wow, I'm almost speechless, to be honest. This looks exactly like a Note 20, but with a phone on the inside as well. So on the front, you have a completely bezel-less display, basically just like an actual Note phone. On the back, it just looks like a Note phone. And then you can actually unfold this thing and have a massive screen on the inside. As you can see, upgrades from the original Z Fold. Yeah, the bezels are tiny and symmetrical, so they've definitely upgraded that. They've also taken away the notch inside. There is no notch now, just that tiny camera in the hole punch. Also, you can see the bezels on the Z Fold 2 on the top and bottom, flat, just like you get on the Note 20. So there is no doubt that Samsung, what they're doing here is they're trying to make a Note device that folds into a tablet, and I think they have succeeded. This thing is definitely pretty much better in every area than the original Z Fold, and it's subtle but definitely noticeable at the same time. The outer screen, the inner screen, the design in general, even the hinge, everything just looks absolutely improved and much better than the first attempt. We also get Galaxy Buds Live and also Galaxy Watch 3 videos, and again, they look really great. The design is so ultra premium on these things. The Watch 3 definitely looking really good. Everything is designed so well in this lineup, with maybe the exception of the Note 20, which is kind of just like a normal phone, maybe like a mid-range type of design. Still very good, but you can just see the Note 20 Ultra, the Z Fold 2, the Buds Live, and also the Watch 3. They're just all ultra premium in their design. We also get leaks from Ice Universe telling us that the screen itself has a stronger printing sense or magazine sense, which is related to the Gorilla Glass or the OLED screen. And I know what he means. If you do look at a Samsung phone, they are not as shiny, whether it's the glass or the actual OLED screen, they're not as shiny as other phones. So it looks like almost you're writing or looking at paper with the OLED screen. Then we get another leak by Roland Quant saying that in Europe, the Note 20, this is the base model, probably won't be available in 4G in most countries. And that means you'll be paying €1,000 for the Note 20, which for me is too expensive for that base model. It just doesn't really match up to that price, considering the screen is a mid-range screen. So the Note 20 Ultra, it's expensive, but certainly you're getting way more for that money, in my opinion anyway. Apparently with the Z Fold 2 as well, you can customize the color of the hinge. So maybe you can have the back actual color and the hinge color, maybe a different type of color. And yeah, if you're spending over $2,000 on a phone, having customizations like this I think is pretty cool. And yeah, I now know why the Note 20 Ultra is a sort of mid-range device. It isn't even really anything like the Ultra or the Fold 2. You can tell Samsung have taken a massive step up. They've gone to a completely different level this time. The Z Fold 2 absolutely leading the industry. They are a decade ahead of anybody else. And the Note 20 is just forgotten now, and they are moving into a completely different realm. So this all makes total sense. I told you it was a packed video, absolutely everything before the launch. Amazing. I'm super impressed by the Ultra and the Z Fold 2. Let me know what you're impressed by, even though that Z Fold Ultra is expensive. It looks absolutely amazing. I'd love to know your thoughts on all of these leaks in the comments. Thanks as ever to all of the leakers today and through this news cycle. There have been a ton of leaks, most of them accurate and amazing before the actual official launch of all of these Samsung products. Thanks for watching this one. See you in the next one.